When you come into the Praizion family, you stay in the family. In other words, if you wanted me to vouch that you've been through this training and you could say, well, you can speak to my trainer. I attended coaching and training in project management where I developed these skills. I'll be there for you. If you want me to write a letter to say you were in my training, I do that. I've done that so many times. And you know what? A lot of my students, a lot of my mentees, a lot of my clients, they get the gig. They get it because I would sell the abilities I believe you have gone away with like there's no tomorrow. So think about it. You're getting 8 hours of coaching from a team of individuals, from the very best. I have 10 of the very best on my team. You're getting mentored and coached, and we're going through masterminding, and we're going through problem solving. And you are learning my framework for problem solving, for creativity, for collaboration. I'm going to show you how to take the framework and work the framework. There is so much to be gained from you coming for this session. You're going to go away with real, pragmatic, practical knowledge, toolkits, and things you can use.